Craig, Allison, what's your PhD about?
Well, I look at how people interact with digital spaces online. So we've looked at a lot of work with maps and how people represent data on maps. I've also looked at work in virtual environments, so how people explore different digital spaces, how people navigate, how they remain oriented, and now it's about bridging those two worlds together. So we have the 2D world of functional maps, we have the 3D world of virtual environments, which people are increasingly playing with, getting more and more excited with. So how can we take the lessons we've learned from one side and apply them to the other?
So what sort of questions are you asking? What does your work entail?
Mainly the sort of questions I'm asking revolve about how much people understand what they're seeing and what sort of cognitive factors are they using as they sort of explore different environments. When I'm exploring the real world, am I using the same type of cognitive understanding as when I'm looking at a map? And can I incorporate information into that map the same way as if I was exploring a virtual world? And how these different areas relate to each other.
How do you think this will affect things when your research is done?
My primary aim is looking at trying to make things easier for people. We're increasingly releasing stuff, making things more available, and then the cycle seems to end. Developers get very excited that they can build systems, release them to the public, and then the public are just expected to use them. I want to make sure that the systems that are released to the public are both usable and useful to them by hopefully creating some set of guidelines and rules to sort of improve this.
And excuse me, what do you think will be the importance of this work?
I think the importance really depends on how different groups react. The web in itself is very diverse, so you have different people with different sort of agendas. I'm hoping that you can get some of the big players involved to really get behind some of these recommendations to make things easier for their consumers and to make things more efficient.
Craig, thank you.
Thank you very much.